Ladies and gentlemen, here comes another yummy series.
Hello lovelies, today we are making Oha soup. This soup is delicious and super easy to make. If you are new here, my name is Chinwe and you are highly welcome to my kitchen. Please click the like button and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you, and let's start cooking. For my choice of protein, I will be using cow foot, hard chicken, goat meat and chives. To season the proteins, I will go in with seasoning cubes, salt and scotch bonnet pepper. I will mix to combine, cover and allow it to cook on its own juice. After 10 to 12 minutes, I will add water, cover and allow it to keep cooking. At this time, I will go in with my stockfish, dry catfish and snail. I will cover and allow everything to cook together. While that is cooking, I will prep my vegetables. Over here, I've got my fresh oha and uziza leaf. Next, I will remove the leaves from the stalk and tear it apart with my fingers. Once that is done, next I will check on the protein, and at this time I will go in with grounded crayfish, cameroon pepper, grounded uziza seed, ogiri igbo, palm oil and my blended cocoyam, which will serve as a thickener. I will mix to combine, cover and allow it to cook. After a while, I will check on the soup and the consistency is just perfect. Next, I will go in with my grilled mackerel, seasoning cube and my fresh uziza leaf. I will mix thoroughly and allow it to cook for 3 minutes so that the uziza leaf will infuse the flavor inside the soup. After 3 minutes, I will go in with my fresh oha leaves, and to finish it up, I will go in with my grounded crayfish. Mix to combine and allow it to simmer for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes our oha soup is ready. This soup is delicious and super easy to make. Please click the like button if you have watched till this point. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Share our videos with your friends and families. Thank you and always be positive, and see you in our next video. Bye guys.